What's up, you guys? Welcome back to another video. Today is gonna be a little bit of an emotional day. It is the last day with my C43. Yes, it's true, the car is officially sold. The buyer's picking it up tomorrow. I don't know how to feel right now. I'm a little bit sad. And by a little bit, I mean a lot. This car has been with me for so long. I've had this car for 3.5 years and over 40,000 miles. I've been spending all day with the car, just taking videos for Instagram, making some YouTube videos, getting some B-roll footage and stuff. And the reason why I did sell my C43 wasn't because I don't like the car anymore. The reason why I sold the C43 is because it's still worth a huge chunk of money that I can use towards another car. Because I'm not a millionaire. I don't make $1 million per year. And most of you guys know that. I can't afford to have like 18 AMGs at once. So I'm selling this car and I'm using it as a down payment for the next car. In a perfect world, I would love to keep this car forever until the wheels fall off. Because as I say a lot, this is the best daily driver in my opinion. You get a beautiful V6 sound. You get a decent amount of power stock, and you can get more power with a tune like I did. It looks beautiful, it sounds really damn good. Like, it has 4MATIC system. 30% of the power goes to the front, 70% to the back. It's just overall such a great daily driver. But if I do end up getting this car, which is another AMG, then you guys will be surprised. And I want the next one to be the best, one of the best cars on my YouTube channel and on my Instagram page, and I want to turn that thing into a beast. I mean, it is a beast stock, and there's actually, I don't know if there's much I can do for modifications, but there's always a way, and the black and yellow tradition will live on the next car. This car was a great daily driver. I drove this car in the snow, in blizzards, in pouring rain with less than like 100 feet visibility. It's very possible to daily drive this car. It's super easy because of the 4MATIC system. But for my next car, I think I'm gonna fully go from all-wheel drive to rear-wheel drive. That's a good hint for you. Actually, I might have said too much already, but it's okay, whatever. But yeah, there you go. I just wanted to give you guys a quick update on what's going on. Let's do one more rev and one more launch, and we'll call it a day. But yeah, there we go. Hopefully you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, make sure to hit that like button and don't forget to subscribe. See you guys in the next video. I don't know what the next video is gonna be, but I'll see you in the next one. Peace.